Waħda mill-iktar laqat importanti matul il-jum seħħet hawn f'Kastilja bejn il-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Jean-Claude Juncker mal-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat biex wara segwit laqa bejn il-Kabinett Malti u l-Kummissarji Ewropej. F'Kastilja ntqal il-Gvern Malti u l-Kummissjoni Ewropea qed jimxu fuq l-istess binarji bi prijoritajiet immirati li jindirizzaw dak li jħossu n-nies, riżultat tal-ħidma id fit bejn it-tnejn. Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat innota kif pajjiżna se jżomm saqajh mal-art u se jaħdem biex jagħmel id-differenza fil-ħajjiet taċ-ċittadini Ewropej li jħossuhom il-bogħod mill-politika u l-politiċi tal-Ewropa u ma jarawx tqassim ġust tal-ġid. Dikjarazzjoni li jagħmilha wkoll f'konferenza tal-aħbarijiet flimkien ma' Juncker.
We want to make sure that whatever work we will be able to do during the next 6 months translates into effective, life-changing things for European families and citizens, that at least people in Europe understand what we're doing and that it does make a difference in their lives.
Il-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Jean-Claude Juncker tkellem b'mod pożittiv ħafna dwar Malta u tħejjiet tagħha għal din il-Presidenza.
I know how heavy the duties are and we as a Commission have the impression and the knowledge indicating that the Maltese government has prepared this presidency in an excellent way. We noted that when the Prime Minister was visiting Brussels back in November last year, and we have seen today in our contacts with the ministers in charge that Malta is best prepared for this presidency.
Ma naqsitx lanqas referenza lejn il-prijoritajiet li l-Presidenza Maltija għandha għal dawn is-sitt xhur. Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat fakkar kif l-immigrazzjoni se tkun fost l-ogħla prijoritajiet. Saħaq li l-kontroll tal-fruntieri se tkun waħda mill-isfidi biex naslu għal soluzzjoni flimkien mal-qsim ta' responsabbiltajiet. Juncker innota r-relazzjoni b'saħħitha u tajba ferm mal-Prim Ministru Malti li jawgura tajjeb anke fid-dawl li l-Gvern Malti u l-Kummissjoni Ewropea qed jaħdmu fuq l-istess binarji.
We are very much on the same line, swimming in the same channel, swimming in the same direction. The 6 overarching priorities of the Maltese government are fitting in the program of the Commission. We are most interested in seeing the Maltese government achieving further progress as far as the migration issue is concerned. This is of vital importance, and I'm quite confident that the Prime Minister and his team will allow us to make the progress which is desperately needed.